Breaking news, folks. Felix and Bob here with a DeepSeek bombshell. In this episode, we blow the lid off DeepSeek R1, the radical new AI shaking up coding, math, and beyond.
We'll cut through the jargon to show how reinforcement learning unlocked crazy advanced reasoning and what it means for you.
Buckle up. This is the AI reveal you can't afford to miss.
So there's this new AI project called DeepSeek R1. At first glance, it's loaded with fancy terms like reinforcement learning and distillation. Basically, these folks at DeepSeek used a pure RL approach to teach a language model how to reason. That means it gets better at solving tough questions like math or code by rewarding itself for good answers. No big pile of examples required up front.
They started with something they call DeepSeek R10, which jumps straight into training without the usual babysitting of supervised data. It's a bit raw. It can pop out weird mixes of languages and read kind of funny, but it's super sharp at logical tasks. Then they refined it further into DeepSeek R1, which got a touch of data love, what they term a cold start. The result? A model that performs about as well as some top-tier AI on problem solving.
Remember how you learned to fix a bike by trial and error? Same concept here, but on a huge scale. The model tries out different solutions, sees what works, and adapts. This method, reinforcement learning, basically hands out a gold star each time the AI nails a correct reasoning path. Over thousands of attempts, the AI grows a real knack for problem solving.
And if that wasn't enough, they went ahead and distilled these newly learned skills into smaller AI models. Think of it like compressing a huge music file without losing the quality. This means you can run it on cheaper hardware and still get strong results. They tested everything on big math tests, coding challenges, and general knowledge quizzes, and the numbers look good.
Okay, so maybe you don't need an AI to do your laundry, but if you rely on AI for real tasks, research, coding, or even helping you draft that perfect side hustle pitch, having a model that can reason better is a game changer. DeepSeek R1 is open source, so anyone can peek under the hood, tinker, and even build new stuff on top of it.
That's huge, because it lowers the barrier. Companies, students, or indie developers can use or modify these AI models without shelling out big bucks. More competition and more innovation means better AI tools for us all down the road.
At the end of the day, DeepSeek R1 is a big leap in making AI actually think, or at least reason in a way that's helpful. No massive supervised dataset needed, just good old trial, error, and refining.
Exactly. It's a milestone showing that with the right tricks like reinforcement learning and some well-placed data, models can self-improve, and they're sharing it all. We might see a ton of spin-off projects soon.
So, there you have it. A fancy name, but a simple idea. Use rewards to sharpen an AI's ability to solve complex stuff. DeepSeek R1 is like a kid who taught themselves advanced math by playing puzzle games. And by the look of it, that kid's going places. Stay curious, folks.